Well, we'd love for you to get involved. Again, 844-706-1212. We have Carol on the line from the South Carolina area. Hi, Carol. How are you?
I'm okay, and you all?
Wonderful. How
Doing
can we
well.
help you tonight?
Well, my mom passed away about 2.5 years ago, and she had me and my stepdad as the administrators of her estate. My stepbrother tricked his dad and took me to court. And in the will, my mom said anyone that challenged the will would only get $1. Oh. And so my brother has let his dad sign a power of attorney, and he only has a 6th grade education, and he's taken all of his money that my mom left for my stepdad. He's bought his family a $600,000 house, and he rides around in a Hummer. And he's changed some things in the will.
Zach?
So, Carol, what is your question, if you don't mind my asking?
Can you change a person's will? Question?
Zach?
Sure. Thank you, Carol. And I'm sorry about your mother. This is a great question. And generally, no, you cannot change someone's will. When they've passed away, if that will is valid, it stays and it's going to be administered as written. However, you mentioned that about what I would call a no contest clause. That's where, if someone challenges the will, they're left $1 or sometimes nothing. Those are not airtight. They do work well, but if there is valid cause for someone to challenge a will, sometimes that provision is going to be thrown out. And so the will can actually be completely thrown out or partially thrown out, and change basically the distributions that are made. And so that sounds like that may be what happened in this case.
Real quick before we go to break, if a caller like this were to come to your office and say, this has already happened, the will's in place, can you help? Is there anything you can do at that point after the will's been put together?
Absolutely. I handle a great deal of probate administration and probate litigation cases. Anytime there's a situation like this, it's important to address it as quickly as possible. There are certainly ways to challenge or to respond to the challenge that's been presented. It's always important. It's going to be very specific to each situation. And again, the earlier that you meet with an attorney, the more chances you have of being able to bring some kind of challenge to it and hopefully be successful in that.